than a hippie in a helicopter. 44s on a Ford or a Chevy Vaga. Elevator to the doors on the Super Swampers. You've been riding stock, boy, you just been a bell.
For all my outlaw renegades, ripping up the back roads. Pull up your rebel flag, whip it like a lasso. Like a lasso, like a lasso. Whip it like a lasso. If you're a proud rebel boss lady, ain't afraid to scrap, no. Throw up your rebel flag, whip it like a lasso. Like a lasso, like a lasso. Whip it like a lasso.
Higher than a hippie in a helicopter. 44s on a Ford or a Chevy Vaga. Elevator to the doors on the Super Swampers. You've been riding stock, boy, you just been a belly flopper. Flag toting them, stack smoking them, y'all know what I'm rolling. Back roading them, black smoking them, keep them suckers.
Okay, first you walking up to your truck. You're looking underneath it to see if anything leaked on the ground. Oil, water, grease, anything. You pass an eye. Then you unsnap the driver's side of the hood. Then you unsnap the passenger side of the hood. Then you open your hood. Bear with me. I'm still nursing a crippled ankle. And we had a heavy dew last night. After you open your hood, you let Penny Marie get in the shot, because she always does. First thing you do is get your gloves. You don't want to get your hands all nasty. Check your oil. Wipe it. And check it twice. Always check your oil twice. And as you're checking your oil, you're visually checking it, all your steering linkages, everything under the hood. You're passing your eye on everything good. You make sure that there ain't nothing loose fixing to fall off or nothing like that. Check your power steering fluid. I'm rubbing that charged air cooler pipe because I'm gonna paint it. Check your air lines. Make sure you ain't got no leaks. Check all your lug nuts. Touch them. Check the oil in your front hubs. That's why I don't run hubcaps on my front axle. Check your air pressure. It's good to have a calibrated air gauge. I like to run 110 pounds in all my tires. If you find a low tire, get it fixed. If you're lazy, you can get the Loves will air your tires up for you. Then you do your drives. Check your lug nuts. Check your air pressures. You do every tire. Then you do your rear drives. While you're doing this, you're still looking around, making sure there ain't nothing loose anywhere on the truck. As you can see, I'm checking my airbags, I'm checking my springs, I'm checking my leveling valve. Then I'm on the passenger side of the truck, checked all my lug nuts, checking my air pressures. I can do this in about 6 minutes. It took me a little longer because this is a video and I had to keep moving the camera and resetting everything. All my air pressures were good. I had one tire that was about 105 pounds, but I wasn't going to air it up for the video. And then you check your other steer axle tire. Take the valve cap off. My drives, I run the kind you don't have to take off. Check your air pressure. Check it twice. Looky, 110 pounds. Put the cap back on. Then we're going to check our lug nuts. Make sure they're all tight. Got to put them hand shoes on. And this, none of this is fast forward. Check the oil in your hub. While you're doing that, you're still passing your eye on your front end suspension, fan belts, all that good stuff. That's the only kind of windshield washer juice I use, is that purple kind. Besides purple being my favorite color, it's good for way below freezing. And it's good in the summertime too. Top that off. And then you, my radiator, as you can see where I'm pointing at, has a sight glass on it. And I know it's full because I just put a brand new cap on there. I'm looking at all my heater hoses, my spring shackles, my brakes, my shocks, everything, my train horns, every little thing I can pass my eye on, I'm looking. Now we're going to test our lights. First we're going to climb up to the truck and make sure the damn thing's in neutral. Then you're going to start the truck. You'll notice that bottom chicken light is missing. It's out and I've ordered some replacements. But you can't get a ticket if there ain't no light there. But if it's on the truck, it's got to work, even if it's an extra light. Now I'm going to turn on my reverse lights and my load lights. Walk around checking all your lights. Still passing your eye. Make sure there ain't nothing loosey-goosey. Everything's good to go. You do this every morning, every afternoon, and every time you fuel, pass your eye. Our new tail light assembly still working beautiful. Check your mud flaps, check your shocks, check your airbags, check your leveling valve. I need to paint that rear end. Check out your suspension. Make sure your toolboxes are all closed and latched. Your cab airbags are good. All your chicken lights are lit up. Make sure that box is closed. Pass your eye. Look good. I painted that charge air cooler pipe black while ago while I was making this video because I just didn't like the way it stayed dirty. You can see all the cab lights are on. The radiator fan's working like it's supposed to. Still looking at everything. Now you close the bonnet, or the hood as you'd say in English. As you notice, I had the bright lights on, and then I always do it with the bright lights on and then with the regular lights. Thanks for watching.
You've been riding stock, boy, you just been a belly flop. The way that your eyes are so fixated. What the hell, this boy riding down the interstate? And why the hell you gotta have that thing jacked up so high? Don't you know that we're in another gasoline crisis? Well, listen up, city slicker, that's the country in us. We like to fish, fight, hunt, and play in the mud. We work our fingers till they bleed, till the job is done. Then drink them cold Coors Lights till the morning comes.